Hi students, I am Rasal Jha from South Point English Coding School online class. Today in this tutorial we are going to discuss about the QVC constant. In this tutorial we learn about what is constant in QVC and how to declare the constant in QVC programs. Okay, then we will start. First of all, what is constant? A specific constant is a fixed entity which cannot change during the program execution. Constant cannot be changed, and all the values, that means numeric values and string values, are the examples of the constant. We can define it by entity which cannot be changed during the program execution. During the program execution, constant may be numbers. Constant may be numbers or values. Numbers or values. All the numbers, all the values are called the constant. We can take a simple example. Simply when we use the statement in QVC, example 2450 RAM, okay, 0415222105 etc. all are the examples of constants. Examples of constants. Okay. Constant means value. Value means number, which can be assigned with variable names. Without variable, we cannot store any types of the constant, numeric constant or string constant. Simple. Repeated the example: a equal to 500. What is a? A is the variable. A is what? A is the variable, and 500 is the constant. Constant always it is the right side of the statements. Constant always used at the right side of the constant. 500 is the constant. What types of constant? It is the numeric constant. It is the numeric constant. That means numeric values which can be assigned with numeric variable. Next one, and a equal to 500. A is the variable. And what types of the variable? It is the numeric variable which stores the numeric values. Which stores what? Numeric values. In numeric values, three types of the numeric values, variables. One is the integer variable, other is the single precision variable, and third number is the double precision variable. So numeric variable, that means it is the single precision variable, which is called the default variable. Single precision variable. Single precision variable. It is also called what? Default variable. Default means which doesn't use any sign. Okay. Now we are going to discuss about the types of the constant. Especially in this tutorial, we have learned about the definition of constant, examples of constant, and how to use the constant with variable names. Okay. Now we are going to discuss about the next topic. Especially constant can be classified into two categories. How many types of constant? Two types of constant. One is the numeric constant. Other is the string constant. String constant. Okay. One is the numeric constant. Here, just here. Numeric constant. And the other is the string constant. The numeric constant means what? Numeric values like as 100, 200, 300, in millions, in billions, in trillions, all are called the numeric constants. Okay, which is used to store in numeric variables. And string constant means all the strings, which is the collection of the different types of alphabet, symbols, digits, and special characters, included with the double quotation marks, is called the string constant, which is used with variables. That means a string variable only stores the string constant, numeric variable only stores the numeric constant. A string variable cannot store the numeric constant. Similarly, numeric variable cannot store the string constant. Okay. A simple example: numeric constant is also classified into three categories: integer constant, single precision constant, and number three is double precision constant. Double precision constant. Okay, especially single string constant is allowed, and numeric constant are classified into three categories: integer constant, single precision constant, and double precision constant. The integer constant means a small types of the numbers, like as 5,600. That means those numbers which lies under minus 32,768 to plus 32,767 is called the integer constant. The range of integer constant minus 32,768 plus plus 32,767. Okay, all the numbers between minus 32,768 to plus 32,767 is called the integer constant. And single precision constant, all the numbers which is made up to 7 digits. Made up to 7 digits or less. It's called the single precision constant. The integer variable stores the integer constant, single precision variable stores the single precision constant, and double precision variable stores the double precision variable constant. Especially, what are the examples of the double precision constant? Like as the telephone number, mobile number, fax number, pen number, those numbers which is too much the large, which is a long type of the value numbers, is called the double precision constant. Okay, the double precision constant, that means up to 16 digits. 16 digits are can store into the double precision constant. Okay, the numeric constant classified into three categories: integer, single precision, double precision. Integer short type of numbers, single precision medium type of numbers, double precision large type of numbers. Integer constant stores in integer variable, single precision constant stores in single precision variable, and double precision constant stores in double precision variable. But all are the numeric variables, because these all variables are stored in numeric values. It is the integer value, single precision value, double precision value. That means all are the constants. Other string constant is alone, which stores the string value. Equally stores what? String values. Okay, string values. What are the string? The string is the collection of different types of alphabet, symbols, digits, and special characters, and includes with the double question marks is called the string constant. Okay, so in this tutorial we have learned about what is constant, different types of the constant, and what are the examples of constant, and similarly how to use the constant in variables. Okay, now I am going to stop my tutorial. Thank you.